Turn spreadsheets into AI-powered oracles, business god mode. For decades, the humble spreadsheet has been the undisputed engine of business. It is the digital ledger of our ambitions, the canvas for our forecasts, and the silent keeper of our most profound corporate secrets and most embarrassing data entry errors. We've worshipped at its altar of rows and columns, offering sacrifices of coffee and overtime, praying to the formula gods for a VLOOKUP that actually works. But for all its power, the spreadsheet has always been a relic. It's a crystal ball that can only show you the past, a map that only reveals where you've already been. Until now, we are standing at the precipice of a revolution, where that static grid of cells is being infused with a spark of divine intelligence. We are no longer just spreadsheet jockeys. We are modern-day oracles, summoning prophecies from our data. We are entering business god mode. The transformation begins not with a complex system overhaul, but with the simple, almost comical act of granting an AI access to your most prized and most chaotic Excel file. It's like handing the keys of a sensible family sedan to a Formula One driver who also happens to be a clairvoyant astrophysicist. The AI, with the patience of a saint and the processing power of a small star, doesn't just see numbers. It sees patterns, anomalies, and possibilities invisible to the human eye. It reads the spreadsheet not as a series of isolated data points, but as a narrative, a story of your business waiting to be told, complete with a thrilling climax and a preview of the next chapter. Imagine the scene on a sleepy Tuesday morning. Brenda from finance is about to run her weekly inventory report, a ritual that involves 6 different pivot tables, a VLOOKUP that frequently threatens to quit, and a silent plea to the coffee machine for strength. She opens the sheet, and instead of the usual grid, a polite chat window appears in the sidebar. "Hello, Brenda," it types. "I've analyzed our Q3 inventory data. I predict a 97.3% probability of stockout for Premium Widget X by October 15th due to an unexpected shipping delay from our vendor in Singapore and a 300% spike in social media mentions from a viral cat video that features our product. I've already drafted 3 mitigation strategies and pre-populated the purchase orders. Shall we proceed?" Brenda spits out her coffee. The machine listened. This is the new reality. The AI-powered Oracle doesn't just answer the questions you ask. It answers the questions you should have asked. It moves from descriptive analytics, what happened, to prescriptive and predictive analytics, what will happen and what should we do about it. The comedy in this new power often comes from its unnerving specificity. You might ask it to forecast next quarter's revenue, and it will return with a startlingly accurate prediction, followed by a footnote. Confidence interval, 99.2%. Note, this forecast factors in the anticipated 2.3% productivity dip the week after the company picnic, based on historical ice cream consumption and HR ticket data. It will find the correlation between the weather in Des Moines and your software subscription cancellations, or pinpoint that your top salesperson's performance peaks precisely 2 days after a new episode of their favorite baking show airs. The AI has no sense of decorum. It simply reveals the truth, no matter how absurd the connecting thread may be. Gone are the days of the gut-feeling decision, the domain of the charismatic executive who just knows the market. Now, you can challenge that intuition with a divine data-driven decree. "I feel like we should invest in the blue packaging," says the CEO. The Oracle responds, "Analysis of 15 years of consumer data suggests Sunset Orange converts 18.7% better in our target demographic, except in Scandinavia, where muted green is preferred. The gut feeling for blue is likely a residual bias from your successful 1998 campaign for a completely different product." Here are the charts. This isn't about replacing human ingenuity. It's about augmenting it to godlike levels. It's about turning every manager into a strategic visionary. Your marketing spreadsheet becomes a prophecy engine, predicting campaign performance before the first ad is ever clicked. Your HR roster transforms into a talent oracle, identifying which employees are flight risks and which have hidden potential waiting to be unlocked. Your financial models cease to be guesses and become dynamic, living simulations of the future, allowing you to stress test your business against 1,000 potential tomorrows, a recession, a trend, a competitor's misstep, with the casual ease of playing a video game. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility and the potential for hilarious system malfunctions. The Oracle is only as good as the data it's fed. One misplaced decimal point, and you might find your AI confidently recommending you purchase 10,000 tons of raw material instead of 100, or declaring that the company's most profitable path forward is to pivot immediately into the artisanal yak milk industry. The Oracle speaks with the confidence of a deity, even when it's dead wrong. The new superpower of the modern business leader will be the wisdom to know when the God in the machine is offering a true revelation and when it's just hallucinating nonsense. The age of the static spreadsheet is over. We're no longer mere archivists of the past. We are all potent seers, armed with intelligent code and our own historical data. We can peer around the corners of time, mitigate risk before it forms, and seize opportunity at the precise moment of its birth. We have unlocked a mode of operation so powerful, so insightful, it feels almost divine. So open that spreadsheet, summon the Oracle, and ask it what's next. The answer might just change everything. Welcome to Business God Mode. Your throne is a swivel chair, your scepter is a mouse, and your kingdom is the future. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.